Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to unstar a document in Google Drive on your PC, especially after the latest updates. If you've been using Google Drive, you know how handy it is to star important files for quick access. But what if you want to declutter your starred items? Let's dive into the process. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive interface where all your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the document you wish to unstar. You can either scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the document, look for the three dots next to it. This is known as the More Actions menu. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Organize. This will lead you to further options regarding how you manage your files. In the Organize menu, you'll see an option that says Remove from Starred. Click on this option, and just like that, your document will be unstarred. It's a quick and efficient way to tidy up your starred items. Remember, unstarred documents are still available in your Drive. They just won't appear in the starred section anymore. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your workspace organized and ensuring that only the most relevant documents are easily accessible. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, opening Google Drive, finding your document, clicking on the three dots, selecting Organize, and then removing it from Starred, you can keep your Google Drive neat and tailored to your current needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively. Happy organizing!